My name is Abiodun, but in the biking world, I am better known as Bidon.
Okay.
Yes,
Bidon,
Bidon moves.
Okay,
Yes,
Bidon.
I'm all right. I'm well, as you can see. I work as a safety officer at sea. You can just call me a seaman. Yes,
Okay.
I work on a ship as a
Oh,
safety
okay,
officer.
safety officer.
Yes, biking is what I love to do. It's some kind of getaway for me. It gives me some kind of freedom, happiness, and everything you can mention that comes to leisure. That's what I get when I get on a bike. All gear, all the time. It tells that whenever you want to get on your bike, even if you want to go buy fuel in just a few meters from your house, you need to have all your gears on, especially your helmet. Your helmet is very important. You should have it on. You should have your jacket on. You should have your gloves. You should have your knee guard. You should have a very wonderful boots on you. All of this gets you at least some kind of protection just in case you experience a fall. It's going to minimize the impact so that you don't suffer certain kind of injury that will lead you, into a very discomfortable life. Of course, it was a car. I started driving from way back teenage years. So then I've always wanted to get a bike, but the society doesn't encourage you to get one. I couldn't do that until I was
Nigerian
matured
society?
enough. Yes, the Nigerian site. I even think it's a global thing. Everybody gets scared of bikes. Bikes kill. But then we try to tell them that bikes don't kill. The riders kill themselves,
yeah.
or they don't get enough knowledge before they get on a bike and then something goes wrong.
Okay.
About the same thing, a bike has an engine just like a car has an engine. So you change your oil as at when due, you change your tires as at when due, you get fuel in it, you get oil, and you get the electricals working well. Bikes are just basically about the same maintenance requirements with a car. All right, it's just that not every mechanic around can handle bikes, so you need to check with very good mechanics to have your bike fixed. And a lot of us are taught how to fix our bikes ourselves. You can service your bike yourself as opposed to doing that with a car. All right, so it's a fantastic experience servicing a bike.
Nice.
All right, this is Bidon Moves telling you to keep watching Auto Expert, your guide to safety.
Please log on to our Facebook page at Auto Expert Pro and you can post your comments and questions there. Also, you can contact us on Twitter at Auto Expert Pro. Also, you can email us, share your thoughts with us at videoguruentertainment@yahoo.com and autoexpertpro@gmail.com. Have a fabulous day, guys, and live big, people.